Bachchan, you have been used to seeing seeing yourself in the mirror. How was it playing, seeing yourself as a 60-year-old woman in a mirror? How was the transformation? How did you felt about seeing yourself?
We are professionals doing a job. I don't think this is, I mean, after so many years in the industry, you get asked if it's a frivolous job about vanity. No, it's not. It's no, this question isn't even, with due respect, very, very sweet of you to attempt to ask this question, but it's not relevant. We are actors. Getting into character is Saraswati for us. And that's what we do every waking day at our, when we go to work. That's what
I can tell you, I was very sad. I was very sad looking at her like that. It was like, no, it can't happen. But she did it and she looks good even then.
He's got a sense of humor. I mean, for everything, he's got little one-liners coming your way. So I think it's giving us reason to smile today. And simply because you'll ask, I don't know why and how, with due respect, you'll expect to be asking financial details of a film and you think someone's going to sit and spell it out here on a stage and what will happen with what you earn from the film and all of that. I don't think you can expect producers and a team to be sitting and answering those questions. But the heart is in the right place. Whatever little bit fees even we have received, I've redirected it completely into the foundation. I have a foundation by my name. So that's what has been the interest and that's what we have expressed from the beginning. Because the soul and the spirit, or with reason with which we're doing this film, is very, very obvious and does not need to be actually broken down and spelled out. But if you insist on asking, then I guess everybody comes up and starts answering questions like these.
We'll be looking forward to your contribution, bro. No, I don't think there is any Pakistan bashing per se in the film. But yes, the film is about the prison over there. And there were a lot of atrocities he was subjected to. And I'm not sure whether that happens over here as well. So I think the point to be taken here is that to treat somebody for other things just because of their nationality and not their crime in a wrong way, whether it happens in India or Pakistan, both is wrong. But since the film is based in a Pakistani prison, that is the only difference. I think there is no, as per se, that we are bashing a country like Pakistan. It's a situation that, you know, a normal person is stuck in the political ups and downs between two countries.
और अगर मैं पर्सनली भावुक हुई हूँ, वो तो जाहिर है आज यहाँ बैठ के उनको सुनकर भी हम सभी भावुक हुए हैं और उनकी कहानी को महसूस करना रोज़ सुबह से रात तक, वो मतलब इंसान ही नहीं रहेगा अगर भावुक ना हो जाए। इनका बड़प्पन है कि वो इस मिठास के साथ ये बात कह भी रही हैं, पर भावुक होना तो जाहिर था ही।
मैं कई बार हॉस्पिटल जा चुका हूँ इसकी वजह से। नहीं, of course, I had to tell myself कि I have not spent 23 years of my life in prison. I have not gone through all that. So there was a big hangover because of the involvement and because of the involvement that was required by the film. So obviously it all lingers on. I think that has happened to me before as well. And from after Highway, I was depressed for a long time. I had to tell myself that I'm not a petty taxi driver and that's not my life and nobody loves me. So, you know, you go through all that. I want to point out something else to you, which is very important to this India-Pakistan situation. Okay, what had happened was that every time that there was hope that he will get released or something will happen, there'll be Pokhara ka bomb nuclear test. Then there'll be Kargil. Then again you'll get hope that something else will happen between. Then 26/11 happened. Again you got hope. Then India executed a prisoner here. So every time something happened between the two was happening between the two countries, and the family and Sarabjit had to bear the brunt of it. And that is what I thought I should elaborate why the political situation is responsible and the innocent people are getting the brunt of it.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/BiscutTV.